So this is a new Swann DVR that I just bought. I'm upgrading my 1080p to a 4K unit. Now this unit is really noisy. It's brand new, but it's really noisy. I'm guessing it's the fan, so what I'll do is I'll take it apart and see if I can buy a new fan to replace it. So to take it apart or to open it up, there's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll just take that out and see if I can open it. Okay, with the 4 screws undone, just lift this up. So I think this is the culprit. This is what's noisy. Let me turn it on and just verify it. Yep, that's the noisy fan. So it looks like a standard 40 by 10 mil fan, and here's the wire and it connects to here. So I'll just take this out and go to an electronic shop and see if I can buy one to replace it. Okay, so this is the new fan that I've just purchased. I just have to solder this into this connector, and this is the old one. I'll just put it in and see if it helps with the noise. So I put in the new fan. It was still noisy, and I think it's actually not the fan, but it's actually the vibration from the fan. So I put this 1 mil double-sided tape here just as a bit of insulation, and I'll just see how that goes with the old fan. I've decided to put back the old fan because it's probably a little bit quieter with that tape there, and I don't have to solder the wire to the connector here. Okay, so I've got the original fan back in, but this time I've actually put these rubber O-rings. I've put 2 on each side where the screw was, but instead of screwing it in place, I've actually used a zip tie to hold it in place, and the noise is significantly less now. So if you're having problem with noises with your Swann DVR, this is how you can reduce the amount of noise that it makes. So it looks like when it was screwed into this frame, the vibration from the fan actually resonates through the frame. So this rubber seems to isolate it or prevented some of that vibration, so the sound is significantly less now.